and welcome back to another DIY video by Sal. Please bear with me as I'm using a natural lighting, as apparently my ring light has kind of a defect at the moment. So I'll be using a natural window for this video. As you can tell in the title, yes, we're going to try out the baking soda and water for hair removal. Now this hair removal technique or DIY is very common in the YouTube world. Apparently one of the YouTuber, Miss Tiffany Sun, tried this technique and but I remember I tried shaving it when I was there. So she got this DIY, or I may say a remedy, from Auntie skincare. Claim that baking soda naturally removes your unwanted hair. So we're going to try it. She also shares how to do it. You need a 1 tablespoon of baking soda and water. Then you need to boil it. So I don't need to boil it. I make myself a hot water here. I have here a kettle and a 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So I have my empty cup here. So we're going to do it now. Apparently for the measurements of the water, she just showed a 1 glass of water. So I'm not sure if I need to do a 1 glass of water because you need to boil it in a saucepan, but for me I prefer to use the water from the kettle and just mix it as it is. This is the baking soda. I hope it's focused. Oh, the sun! The sun! I prefer the natural lighting because I'm fresh. Char! Actually, it's very normal because in her video, kind of boils up with a I'm trying to mix it. Whoa, it's like a cooking show. Whoa, see that? I hope mine works, because you just need to stir it. Keep stirring it until the bubbles is gone, I think. Can you hear it? Okay, I'm going to keep stirring it until it's not that hot anymore so I can apply it to my skin. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, so my baking powder, I keep saying baking powder. Okay, so my baking soda paste is now cool. Now let's apply it in our arm and wait it for about 5 minutes. Mine is not that goopy. Hers is very goopy. I'm going to apply it here in my arm. Wait for 5 minutes to dry it up and I'll get back to you guys. They say that it can remove your unwanted hairs within 3 days, but if your hair is a little bit thicker, it might take a while. So mine, let's see, let's give it a try for 3 days and I hope it works. I'm finding a very natural way to remove my unwanted hair in my legs area. I usually shave my legs 4 days or a week, every week, because my hair really grows fast. And more I shave my legs, it's becoming like strawberry legs. I don't know if you're familiar with that term. So you need to exfoliate it to remove those bumps. I don't want it to keep coming back every time I shave my legs. So I hope these remedies will work. It's trying to dry out, but look. Oh my gosh, the sun is coming down. Let's make it fast. I usually film whenever my son has his nap. So this is the best time to finish my video. Oh, by the way, don't forget this is the day 1 of using this product. Is it 5 minutes now? Oh, I have 1 minute more. Alright guys, so as you can see, it kind of crystallized itself. Pulsate or whatever that term is. But look. After we're waiting for 5 minutes, Tiffany immediately used her baby wipes and just tried to wipe off the baking paste. So we're going to try it out. Focus that well. I still have my hair area here and nothing came off in the baby wipes, all pure of the paste. So let's give it a try for 7 days also, like Miss Tiffany. If you want to see her video, I'm going to link her video below, and I'll get back to you guys for the final day. Kind of exfoliate my skin because it gives that tighten. So we'll do these remedies for 7 days, alright? Alright, day 2. Because I noticed that my skin has like a red spot. I'm not sure if you can see clearer, but this is the final day that we're going to test out the baking soda and water for natural hair removal. So I make myself one. I also do a video how I make like Miss Tiffany Sun, and now I'm going to dump it using a cotton and apply it all over my arm area here. Okay, it's just clear. I'm kind of confused why it became like this, but it's okay. So we're back, and as you can see, this one doesn't crystallize, but this part, whoa. So as you can see in my previous video, I use a tissue, cotton swab, baby wipes. It doesn't work, but let's give it a try with a wet wipes again. So okay, I have sipon. Oh no, none. What? No, it doesn't work. Look. So sad news is that this product didn't work. So DIY hair removal with baking soda and water, it doesn't work. But you know what? For the straight 5 days I'm using the baking soda with water, I noticed my skin tighten. So there you guys have it. This is my final thought about baking soda and water. It doesn't work, so I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, but I follow the steps. And to be honest with you, why I stopped for 5 days, the second day when I applied the baking soda and water, it gives me that tingling sensation, and I'm really scared because too much baking soda, the effects. Alright guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!